I got look. Watch when you push it. Look. I want this one. Adley has one of these too, so I bring these too, because I'm lucky. Let's show Daddy we got one of these from Walmart this time. Hi, this is Rosella. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget the thumbs up and to subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell. Now look, I have this kit here. We need to open it up. Fun toys. What's it called? This is my real hard cat. She actually does. Watch, she meows. Look. She's real. Let's do this. Oh, I got it. Okay. This is a walking cat, and this is a walking animal. It has a leash, so we can walk. It works with these two buttons. Button makes it wig its tail. The tail wiggles. Look, its tail wiggles. And then watch the other one. That's noisy at night. Be careful with her because she's fragile. You're going in the rug. Stop. She's going in the rug. Oh, let's look over here. This kitty's trying to just spill its tail. There we go. And walk. This tail is wagging its tail. Now to go. Thanks for watching. Bye.